Google CEO Sundar Pichai arrived in the national capital today for the Global AI Impact Summit 2026. He will be delivering the keynote address on Feb 20th at the summit. But for now, there is an important meeting that took place between Prime Minister Modi and Sundar Pichai. Let me go back to Aishwarya on this. Aishwarya, Google CEO there having an important meeting with Prime Minister Modi. Of course, Mr. Pichai is going to be a key delegate as far as AI Impact Summit is also concerned.
Several key industry leaders are arriving here. There are one-to-one conversations that will happen with the Prime Minister. There are bilateral meetings that will also simultaneously take place at the Hyderabad House amongst the 30 countries where the top leaders would be arriving, including the head of the states and the industry leaders. All will be meeting the Prime Minister, and it's a mega event that will be culminating today evening. Google CEO Sundar Pichai is in Delhi and he is participating in the India AI Summit. Remember, Google is the one who had invested, crores of rupees in terms of, making Wi-Fi enabled railway stations, bus stops at the public, the public stations as well. And in several vicinities across the country, they have built such a network that will give 5G Wi-Fi, powers to different stations as well, and will help people. And they have invested a lot in terms of the MOUs that have been signed by different state governments. And at the India AI Summit, Google Pavilion also holds a separate place, which is clearly showcasing how Google is transforming the country like India into a AI space with their own technology. And now Prime Minister Narendra Modi meeting the Google CEO Sundar Pichai, who is in Delhi. A very insightful conversation that we are expecting the outcome of this particular meeting, as how Google is going to more invest in the country after this conversation, and what impact it will be is certainly that remains to be seen.